A beetle is tangled in my Cape Sundew, but this video has a surprising twist later when a spider drops in. This beetle is likely a type of ground beetle, and they can often escape from sundews. They are powerful insects with strong legs and have the ability to fly, so they can take to the air and escape. Sensing the insect on the plant, the sundew starts to react and the tentacles close in. If they are quick enough, they may be able to secure this prey. Beetles like this are soft-bodied underneath, and this is how digestion would be able to take place, and the plant would be able to break down this insect and use the nutrients. But first it would have to overpower it. The beetle is working its way free, but unexpectedly a spider drops in. I switch to my wider camera and capture it as it lands. This is not the first time I've recorded something like this. It happens quite regularly. Insects land when they sense the movement of other creatures caught in the glue, and often get caught too. The spider is stuck fast and the beetle is struggling to escape. Every time it tries to make its move across the leaf, the sticky glue droplets on the back manage to halt it. The spider seems completely unaware of the danger it is in, whereas the beetle panics, quickly moving around trying to find a way to escape, and it looks like it may quickly take flight. As the beetle continues to panic, it eventually manages to get its way on top of some of the tentacles, and it falls right into the path of the spider, and then we have two insects on one plant. The beetle potentially senses the spider and freezes, giving me an opportunity to have a closer look at this rare interaction between two insects. The spider starts sensing the beetle's presence. As the beetle twitches and moves, the spider starts to react. The spider's instincts kick in and it tries to grab the beetle, failing, and I take a closer look. This sort of interaction is rarely seen, and the spider's feeding instincts are strong even when in danger, and in the panic gives the beetle the opportunity to escape. Now having only one prey to deal with, the sundew slowly closes in. Running a time lapse, you can see the tentacle slowly closing and the spider starts to succumb. Unable to escape, this spider becomes another fantastic meal for my Cape Sundew.
Mr. Naked Landscaper.